Here's another property. This one's actually in Florida. And you can look at the before and after. And yes, it's cleaner, it's a little better, but you see us, we're not busting everything out. We're trying to get in and out quickly. Okay? And so this is a quick, what I would call pretty much a lipstick rehab, right? Cabinets still there, new countertops, new flooring, paint, um, and I think they had to put a new roof on this one, and some new landscaping, and boom, they're done. So the rehab was only about 35 grand. The profit on this deal was $157,612. So there's a 64.3% ROI. If you look at it, they're into about 245, total as far as purchase and everything else, and they made $157,000 profit.